As a mental health professional of 35 years standing, we know that a silent pandemic in the sphere of mental health has been brewing since more than a decade. With the COVID pandemic, there is a 20% increase in anxiety and depression among children and among adults as well. 33.7% of the population of India comprises of children below 18 years of age, which is 1/3 of the population. Mental health professionals are very few in the country, and majority of the schools do not employ a counselor or a psychologist. Children suffer in silence. The stigma and the mystery and the myths around mental health are also compounding the problem. Wellness in a Box is a very well structured and comprehensive project. In this project, we train the teachers, we train the parents, and we train the students of Standard 8 across the schools. We train them for the prevention of depression and awareness of depression and anxiety. We teach the students resilience and coping strategies to deal with their daily problems and stresses.
The program and counseling made me aware of myself and my emotional problems and gave me the courage to talk openly.
मुझे पहले बहुत गुस्सा आता था, मैं बहुत झगड़ा करता था, मेरी किसी से बनती नहीं थी। अब मैं काउंसलिंग से अपने मन को शांत करना सीख रहा हूँ।
We have also through this project given free counseling services across the schools. We have also trained many teachers in a 1-year diploma program of school counseling so that they can take the task forward.
The diploma has empowered me with knowledge and skills to counsel school children.
The counseling course has helped me to understand the importance of mental health and to focus on the needs of the children.
So far, we have trained 2,200 students in this program and approximately 2,000 parents and teachers of the schools.
प्रेजेंटेशंस में जो बच्चे आजकल जो प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं उसके बारे में हमको बहुत अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज मिला और रूल्स भी बहुत अच्छा था। डिप्रेशन से बचने के लिए जो दिया गया है वो बहुत अच्छा हेल्पफुल सीजन्स था।
इस प्रोग्राम में मुझे मेंटल हेल्थ के स्टिग्मा को तोड़ने में मुझे मदद।
We did a pre-survey and a post-survey to measure the outcomes of the project, and it is very heartening.
There was a tremendous response to counseling as expected after the training programs.
A dedicated team of Rotarians have been volunteering their time and energy for this project.
Mental health is a very crucial but a very taboo subject. I have understood the importance of this project after working on this. It should be spread across all the schools.
We would appeal to people for more funds and resources to take this project across the city. We would also appeal to the government and to the state education department to institutionalize this program for the benefit of children across all the schools of India. If that is done, it would be a dream come true for us, people like us.